In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a quotebook in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a simple, clean structure for collecting your favorite lines, organized in a way that's easy to browse and expand over time. Start by opening Obsidian and heading into the vault where you want your quotes to live. In the left sidebar, create a new folder and name it Quotes. This top-level folder will act like your bookshelf for memorable lines from books, talks, articles, or anything you want to remember. Using a single, clearly named folder keeps your collection tidy and easy to find. Next, inside the Quotes folder, create another folder and call it Philosophy. Think of this as your category shelf. You'll be able to add more categories later, but for now we'll focus on philosophy so you can see the structure in action. Keeping topics nested inside quotes helps your vault stay organized without spreading notes all over the place. Now open the philosophy folder and add a new note. This will be the page where you'll actually write and manage your quotes. Name the note Quotes. If you prefer to be more descriptive, you can always rename it later, but we'll stick with that name to match the structure you just created. With your note created, place your cursor in the editor and start typing your quotes. Add your first quote, then your second, then your third, labeled 1, 2, and 3 if you like. For clarity, many people format each quote as a block quote by starting the line with a greater than symbol. You can also add the author and source on the next line. Keeping a consistent pattern, quote, author, and source, makes it easier to scan and trust your notes later. Before you go further, make sure to add a heading at the top of the note. Type a single hash followed by a space and your title, for example, Nanchao Quotes. Headings give your page structure, improve readability, and make it easier to navigate if you ever add a table of contents or use Obsidian's outline view. That's it, your quotebook is set up. You've opened Obsidian, created a main quotes folder, added a philosophy subfolder, created a note inside it, named the note, typed 3 quotes, and added a clear heading. From here, you can keep adding quotes to this note or repeat the same structure for other topics. With a consistent folder and note setup, your quotebook will stay organized and grow with you over time.